How to use same Telegram accounts on two devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to use same Telegram accounts on two devices. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure you go ahead and open App Store or Play Store and download Telegram app on both of the devices and tap open button. You can easily log into your account on a particular device and log into the another device with the same credentials. And with that, you can easily access your Telegram account on both devices simultaneously and all your messages will sync automatically. Whether you are chatting, sharing media or managing your groups, everything is available on both the devices. So using the same Telegram account on two devices is that simple. Just enter your phone number on both devices and you are good to go. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.